In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional company profile in Canva. We'll walk through choosing the right template, adding your content, personalizing the design, and sharing it in formats that make sense for web, email, or print. Start by opening Canva on your computer or mobile device. On the home page, use the search bar and type Company Profile, Business Website, or Brand Kit. Explore a few templates to see how their style, structure, and tone feel. Pick one that reflects your industry and brand personality. Clean and minimal for corporate, bold and colorful for creative, or editorial for a premium feel. Remember, the template is a starting point. You'll make it your own in the next steps. Next, add your company's core information. Begin with a clear introduction that explains who you are, what you do, and the mission and values that drive you. Follow with a brief history or timeline. Highlight key milestones that show growth and credibility. In the products or services section, describe what you offer with a focus on benefits and outcomes for clients. Keep it concise and value-driven. Add an achievements section to spotlight awards, press features, certifications, or standout projects. Finally, include a few short client testimonials to build trust. Use quotes that are specific and results-oriented, and keep formatting consistent for a polished look. Now personalize the design so it truly represents your brand. Upload your logo, then apply your official colors and fonts across headings, subheadings, and body text. If you have a brand kit set up in Canva, use it to keep everything consistent. Replace placeholder images with professional photos of your team, workspace, or products. Aim for a cohesive visual style and high-resolution images. Adjust the layout by rearranging sections, adding or removing pages, and using Canva's elements like icons, shapes, and graphics to guide attention. Keep readability front and center. Use clear headings, adequate spacing, and strong color contrast. Avoid overcrowding pages. White space is your friend. Before you share, preview the entire profile. Click through as if you're a viewer and check that the content flows, images aren't cropped awkwardly, and text is easy to read on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy, click Share to generate a live website link for easy viewing, download a PDF for printing or emailing, or export individual pages as images for presentations and social media. Choose the format that best fits how your audience will consume it. That's it. Your professional company profile is ready to impress. Thanks for watching.